know because I admire you. Again, it is the name of the lipstick that she's wearing.
Adore you. We have a full hour.
I can't believe it. Put your seatbelt on, and Scotty's already told me, you know, children are up now, so I have to behave myself.
This is Doris Dalton, everyone, who is the founder and creator of Dalton Beauty. And for those who don't know, as a matter of fact, I'm excited. We're going to even feature the very first product that really kind of started your brand in this hour.
Yeah.
But yours is an all clean beauty brand.
All clean and certified, Leaping Bunny certified.
Yeah.
So cruelty-free, clean beauty. It was a non-negotiable for me. I started this brand. I'm a cancer survivor. And I was a doctor going about my entire life, and then I hit a roadblock. I didn't love what I saw, and I started creating products. Really, honestly, for me, it was never my intention to be standing here next to Leah Williams with an entire beauty brand. Yeah. But here I am. From lemons becomes lemonade, one of my favorite drinks. And I don't know what the mocktail is today, but we're starting with my absolute lifesaver. This product right here single-handedly changed my skin. Single-handedly changed my skin.
So where we're starting with the Dalton Doll Skin Genius Reishi Mushroom Repairing Serum. It has been over a year to get this back.
I know.
Because the very first time it was presented, Doris, it sold out completely.
Sells out.
It took months for it to return, and then it was gone again. So over a year. If you've never seen it before, we're going to explain why it's been as popular as it is. So $45 is the price. The easy pay works out to $9, and remember, everything ships for free. So tell me about the serum.
Okay, and you're going to see something. I'm going to do stuff different. Okay, that's what we do at Dalton. So what you're seeing here is 5 different types of hyaluronic acid. It's reishi mushroom, the resurrection plant, Indian gooseberry, willow bark extract, coconut water, panthenol, all of these beautiful ingredients that are instantly going to absorb right there before your eyes, and I want you to see the difference. That little drop will go all around the skin, and I want you to see the difference between dry dehydration. If you're the type of person that has dry dehydrated skin, no matter what you do, watch how it's instantly already ready and set, and I want you to see it next to the other hand.
You said to me yesterday,
I said, I don't do before and afters. I don't do those things because instant gratification, because that's what you want. You don't want to wait 30 days. You don't want to wait 45 days. You want to literally put this on, feel it like drink to the skin, and you literally want to see that change immediately. So this is pre your moisturizer. Here's all those ingredients. Hyaluronic, 5 different types of hyaluronic acid, because guess what? Hyaluronic acid is that cheap hydrator. Here, live demo, Amy, 1/2 of her face. I want you to see this live. If you are sitting here watching, you're just getting up, you're having your coffee, your tea, whatever it is that you're having, and you have dry, dehydrated skin, it is January. There's a reason why this sells out every single time we bring it. We cannot keep it in stock. It takes so long that everyone hoards this stuff, and it will instantly, and I promise you this, and you know I'm not a good fibber, it will instantly change the way you see your skin. You'll see hydration levels, you'll see moisture levels, you'll see that plump look back to your skin. Those fine lines, textures, pores will instantly look like they're smoother. So that's what I should. Now, I want you to see this hand. This is now already set my skin. My skin's completely dry. And what I want to show you is this. I want you to see my hand. This is a 62-year-old hand. This is my secret weapon. Look at how there's no, now look.
I mean,
see that instant?
And I love because
look at it.
We all know what thirsty skin looks like.
That's exactly right.
And you said to me, you said, Leah, it really is like, it's a
taking
a sponge to water.
Exactly.
The way that your skin will take that in. You see it. I mean, take a look.
You immediately see it, and more importantly, you immediately feel it. It's one of those things. Now watch when I put this on. Now look at this guy. I want you to see how this skin looks. That is dehydrated skin.
Thirsty.
I want you to look at this skin. I can't even pinch it. That's how quick this goes to work.
All right. Tell me how I use it, how often I use it. By the way, it's already going
It's going to be crazy.
Again. Sold out completely in its debut.
Can't keep it in stock.
Took months to get it back in stock. And then took more months. It's been over a year since we've been able to get the Doll Skin Genius Reishi Mushroom Serum back. Okay.
I couldn't be more excited to have this in the show today because I think all of the makeup and all of the classes that you're going to get has to start with good-looking skin.
Yeah.
I have dehydrated skin. Here's the deal. I am a cancer survivor. I had a rare form of thyroid cancer, which put me into early menopause, which means my collagen is gone, my hydration is gone, my moisture level is gone. I am a Sahara desert. No matter what I put on, my skin is always thirsty. So I created this for me. It starts his life as the most unbelievable different multiple levels of hyaluronic acid, coconut water. Now I infused it. Reishi mushroom is this miracle, this transformative, reparative ingredient. It is the #1 gold standard in ingredients right now that you could possibly get on your skin. You want to transform your skin with a drop. Put this underneath your moisturizer, or you can wear it at nighttime before you go to bed. Instantly, you will be able to snap your fingers. It will not be greasy. It literally feels like a water lightweight texture. And look how plump my skin looks in front of your eyes. I told you, Leah.
It does.
This is a transformer,
it's
unlike anything you've seen before.
It is like taking a sponge to water.
Yeah.
We're going to take a look at Amy,
yeah,
who's done half of her face.
Half her face. Now she's going to finish the other one, and then I want you to see the before and after.
Okay.
Because normally what you do is you see before and after, it says, this is after 30 days. This is after 2 months. This is after 2 weeks. Forget about it. I don't have 2 weeks in my mind's eye. I am one of these people that want immediate results. I want to see it. I want to feel it. I want to know that it's working. I am not going to sit there and wait 30 days. I'm an impatient person. I'm impatient. So if you have that chapped skin, chafed skin, you know, that dehydrated, fine lines, texture in your skin, those pores that are in there, congestion in that skin, and nothing's working, and you're layering skincare.
Yeah. And here, you know, and what you, because what
Look
you
at
want,
the difference.
Yeah, you see it in me, but you want not just to restore the moisture.
Yep.
You want to retain the moisture.
And that's what it does, yeah.
Yeah, you don't just want to get the moisture back.
No.
You want to then keep the moisture there.
That's
and
right.
You can, I mean,
look,
you do see
I
it.
told you,
Look at
Leah.
this. I mean, look at this.
I told you.
Thirsty.
I told you. You have never seen anything like this before.
That's good.
I
That's
told
really
you.
good.
So
Yeah.
that hyaluronic acid, Leah, hits at different levels. There's multiple types. The reishi mushroom, that repair to restore, I can't even legally tell you everything that it does.
Yeah.
Based in coconut water as well. It has that Indian gooseberry that's in there, willow bark, panthenol, niacinamide, hydrolyzed protein. All of these ingredients, what do we want for our skin? We lose collagen, we lose moisture, we lose hydration, we lose that barrier that's in there. This is helping repair it.
It's funny, you said to me, because I said, I don't know this product, Doris, and you're like, well, because we have
sells
so
out.
Here's where we are. Over 1,000 orders placed.
Wow,
that's
great.
half of what you brought in for the entire Masterclass Beauty Day. So it is back after a year, but it is half gone. $45 is the price, $9 easy pay. Remember, all beauty ships for free. All skin types can use this.
Every skin type needs to use this. Oily, dry skin, dehydrated, parched